I'm Kevin Williams, and I'm on a mission to explain why science matters to motorcyclists via my new series of short videos, 60-second science. Last time out I explained that the earliest cyclists faced the problem of connecting the rotational torque from their motor, the legs, to the wheel that drove their cycles. The Penny Farthing solved it in the simplest possible way. The pedal crank was mounted directly to the front wheel. But the Rover bicycle, patented in 1885, used a chain drive to link the pedal crank to the rear wheel via a pair of gears. The Penny Farthing was obsolete. Here's how gears work. When interlocking gears have the same number of teeth, the output shaft rotates at the same speed as the input shaft. The rotational force at the output gear is the same as was applied at the input gear. But gears can be different sizes. Here, the small yellow gear is 18 tooth and the big purple gear is 36 tooth. The effect is to change the rotational speed between the two gears. If the input gear is the bigger gear, as on a bicycle, for every revolution of the input gear, the output gear will revolve twice. We call this the gear ratio, and in this case it will be 2. The first motorcycle-like machines were essentially motorized bicycles with an internal combustion engine replacing the rider's pedals and driving the back wheel via fixed gears. But with fixed gears, the driving force at the rear wheel is directly related to how much torque the legs or engine produce, and top speed is limited by how fast they rev. To get efficient operation across a wide range of road speeds for both types of cycle, the answer is to use a range of intermediate gears that can be dynamically selected by the rider to suit the task in hand, whether that's rapid acceleration or hill climbing or smooth cruising. To this day, the vast majority of motorcycles continue to follow this pattern.